It's such a workout.
Do you want to tell us what Semla is, Sanna?
Yes, okay. Semla is a Swedish delicacy that we eat on, what day is it? Like February 16th? No, I think actually the date shifts because we eat it for Fat Tuesday. So it's like a Tuesday in the middle of February. And this Tuesday was, yeah, the past Tuesday.
So it is Saturday today, but
yeah, we kind of want to enjoy it in the mountains.
Fat Saturday.
Yes. You make like a paste with, it looks like really bad, but it's all almonds and some cream and some of the dough thing or bread, and then kind of mix it up, and it's sweet and tastes like a little bit like marzipan, and then you do you whisk what wisp? No, that's Swedish, vispa.
Whisk.
You whisk some cream and you make it hard.
Shake it. Yeah, but
Yeah,
now we're shaking
We're
it.
shaking it because we're in the mountains, so you
that
gotta
is
do
adorable.
what you do. So you make like small holes in the buns to fit the cream or the little paste, and I make big holes because I like a lot of paste. But it's a way of, some people doesn't even like the paste, so they want it without or with vanilla cream. But those people we don't talk to. That's not right. This. And then I hope this is like hard enough. That is. Okay. And then you kind of put the little lid on it. And then you have to, this is like the most important part. And that's why you bring it to the mountains. You have to get it like, oh. Yay!
Finish.
Here's the Semla.
Damn.
Kitty's having fun. Oh, this was like the best idea I think you've ever had.
Hello. He's complete. He's like the lion of the mountain, yeah. Good amount. That is. It's quite a lot. This is fine to hold you to.
Yeah, just double like a little bit. I think it's fine. You can like put it on here as well.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, this smells so incredible. Okay, well.
So here we got a little lentil stew. Yeah. Cheers. Oh, I should have left it slightly longer, but it's nice to chew a little.
This is lovely.
I'm glad you like it. I don't want to block your sun. There we go. No, it's like not making it too hot early, so it starts sputtering too early. I think like maybe it's working now.
So it's kind of like gently.
Yeah. Do you mind if I close it?
Yeah, no, I think close it.
Like, I'm just gonna do one thing at a time.
Okay, you ready for this?
That was much fuller than I expected.
That's salt? Big salt.
Yeah.
Never had brownie with salt like that before.
No?
Hi. Hi. So we're on our way down from our long hike from Männlichen, which is up there, all the way to Kleine Scheidegg and then down to Wengen.
Yes.
So it was our first long hike together.
Yeah, and I can see just from here how much sunburn I got. I'm so red.
So yeah, we had like a hiking excursion, some cooking experimentation.
Yes. I actually brought out my Swedish camping kitchen and cooked some food, which was super nice with this beautiful nature.
And some Semla, some Swedish tradition.
Yes, we had the Semla with some beer in the sun, in our sport tops, just enjoying the weather.
Definite highlight of the day.
Definite highlight.
Not true. And then we also did like the cooking experimentation.
Yes.
So training for future long hikes. We know now that the the Thai curry is definitely on the list.
Yes, it worked out pretty well. And then you did some coffee.
I did. I was saved by Sanna because I was struggling to light it using the Feuerzahl. Oh, and yeah, a little bit of a fall down, a little bit of a slope. But luckily, Sanna has some wrist experience, so she bandaged me up real good, and it doesn't even hurt. So yeah, heading down to Wengen now. It's been a full day up in the mountains. Okay, Mom's getting tired, so we can say bye.
Cheers.